Hi guys, today I got this Acura MDX. I'm gonna show you a few things if your alarm keeps going off middle of the night. So with this customer, he parks the car and the alarm comes on by itself. So what he does is he leaves this door open slightly and then he locks it. I don't know how he locks it. A lot of times these things will not engage unless I switch. There's a switch on each door. Let me show you because the back door I cannot get open. But each door has a switch such as this. See that? And the problem here is that you don't know which one is bad because even the hood has inside the latch, the hood would have it. But there's one thing you could do. I'm going to show you a couple of things that, not one, but a couple of things that you can do. I just want to pop this open just in case if I could see something right through here. Not much of a clearance there. But right over here, you have a few connectors. So you see that? That's a sensor right there. That little guy, this wire coming out here is a sensor for the hood. A lot of times, these sensors will, because all they do is that they take a hit all the time and they become faulty. But what I want you to do is, if you want to disable the alarm, there's a lot of things you could do, but there's a few things that you can check. So one thing I'm going to tell you is, what you can do is you could simply just disconnect. All you do is you push on the tab here and you disconnect this sensor and you leave it disconnected. And you can now, since we have disconnected this, you can make sure you test it overnight, because I had a similar problem on my Honda. Honda's the same thing. Every time a car passes by, and every time a car passes by, from the push of the wind, the car shook and the hood moved and the alarm came on. Every night I had to go through that. Also, I'm going to show you one more thing you can do. I had this on the Honda Odyssey. Same issue on the Honda Odyssey. Let me take the key out of the ignition on this one. All right, so if you open up, each door has one of these switches. Instead of leaving like this guy was leaving his doors open, what you can do is pop this rubber open. And inside you're going to have a number 8 right there. And I am so lucky there's a number 8 sitting right next to me. All right, so once you pop this open, this is it's a small little sensor. Each door has it. Let's take this apart. Oh, the hood fell down. That's cool. It scared me a little bit. The shocks are dead on the hood. But let's take this open this up. Right now, what we did under the hood is just good enough, okay? You can do that. A lot of cars, they will indicate to you the hood is open, but I have never had an issue with this. So once you take off that number 8, and inside you have this connector, okay? Do not lose this connector. What you can do is you can disconnect this. You just push on that little clip, and you could disconnect this cable right here. And you can put all this back together. You could do it that way also. But also check your sensors. Sometimes these sensors can be bad. But let's put this, I want to put this back together because we're going to leave only the hood switch disabled. But I do want to test if the car does lock or does it unlock. I want to test all that before I let go of the car. Because as we're going, this is not something that I tested. But on my Honda, it worked great for me on my Honda Accord. I have a 2004 Honda Accord. Let's put this back together. I had a Honda Odyssey that had a loose ground in it. That one cable that was in there going, it connects somewhere down there, and it was loose. That was ground controlled. But anyways, so what it does is from the bolt, it picks up the ground, and then it sends it through that cable. So this is a little bit other way around. But anyways, let's close this. The hood closed. So every single door is closed. So it works. I'm gonna start up the car. I just want to see if there's any let's see if it tells us the hood is open. A lot of times it will tell you the hood is open. It doesn't tell us anything if the hood is open or not open. Tell us the door is open. but it doesn't tell us something about the hood. So we're gonna leave that one disconnected, and that should disable the system. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. And I am gonna go a little bit further with the details on the rest of the stuff, because you can disable alarm on a Honda Pilot, Ridgeline, Acura, Odyssey, all these vehicles. But I want you to check this switch on each door. A lot of times, okay, this is locked. Let me unlock this. I want you to check. See, this one has it right there. Let's see about this. The trunk might have like a built into the latch here. So this one might have a built into the latch. Sometimes you need to adjust the back. It won't close up properly. But rest of the doors has it as well. Like this one has it. That's the switch right there. And this one has it. All right, guys, so I hope this video helps you out how to disable the alarm on these Hondas and Acuras. This is a 2000 I think 11 MDX, but they're all the same thing, guys. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you can always send me a message. You don't have to worry about anything. If you have check engine codes, send me a message. I do have how to flush antifreeze, how to drain the transmission and change the battery, flasher, brake job on all these vehicles. I have a lot of videos on these. Thank you again, and bye.